creative beings around the whole world. I'm greeting you from the bottom of my heart. And today is a great day. I'm happy. Today is a great day. I'm happy. And today is a great day. I'm happy. Every time I say this, also if it's not true, and you will feel if you do that, make this maybe early in the morning, and you cannot feel unhappy if you raise your hand in the air. It's not possible. So today, about what I want to speak to you. If you feel sometimes, when you do a task or so, oh my God, I cannot do that. That's not impossible. I will not make it. But I say to you, yes, you can. You can do anything you want. Anything you want, you can. Because there is this incredible creative being inside of you. It does not belong to your perishable body. It is immortal. And it's inside of you. And it is waiting for you that you get in contact with it. It is your soul. And your soul will guide you with everything. So go forward what you feel that you want. Sometimes, that I have also said before, it is not easy to know what we are wishing and what we are not wishing. It is not easy to found this sometimes, but when you spend some time with yourself and connect to your soul, you will find it. You will find what you want. And also then, when you have this idea, then go forward for it. Because you are good. You are brilliant and you are good as you are. There is no change needed, no change from the outside. Because change from the outside will never be good for you. It is only the change which comes inside. Because on changing something in the outside, we are only change one thing to another thing. So that means when one wish of you is fulfilled, the other wish will stand at your doorstep. And also when we have when we try to get our problems outside, when we want to remove them, another problem will stay there. But when we go inside for a time, then it will be healed from inside, and this is permanent. So have trust in you. You are good. You are very, very good. This short suggestion I wanted to share with you today. If you like this channel, these little clips, then you might subscribe if you want. And also there are a little more freebies, goodies, exclusive for you, waiting at happysoulpainting.com.